You have supper home. Thank you so much, Igor, but this is not my home. Oh, you love my hair color? You love my hair color, Zara? Mm-hmm. But need a lot of conditioner. Yeah. So I'm not everyday using shampoo. I'm using shampoo once a week. Yeah. So look at my black hair is going, you know, it's ready to grow up. Let's go to look. Thank you everyone for watching. Yes, comment down below if you want to. Comment down below guys, don't shy and I will shout out to you. Hello. So isa nito, bakit? Isa na nito. Good evening everyone, welcome back. Yes, welcome back and welcome new viewers. Good evening everyone. Hello. Ngayon lang tayo ulit nakapag-live. Hindi ako nakapag-live kanina. Busy ang person. Busy ang person. Laglag. Nalaglag. Hello everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Shout out to all my dear viewers. Hello, good evening. And good morning there. Thank you so much everyone. Para pretty. Para pretty lang yung ating ayos ng hair. Pretty. See? That's nice. That's nice. Ayan, kasi hindi masyadong ano yung highlight, pero naka-highlight ako. Highlight. Thank you so much guys for watching.